In this video now we're looking at practice problem number 5 from the second lecture. In this case there's an interest rate given in the market of 65%, so that's equivalent to 0.65. And it says what are the optimal values for C and S? So I'm trying to find this C star and S star. So I'm using the same wealth as in the other problems. I believe that was the wealth there was $6. So the household has the $6 that it needs to split up between consumption and savings. And I'm trying to figure out what that optimal choice would be with this new interest rate. So in the previous questions it was saying the interest rate's 20%. Now we have this new interest rate. Every time the interest rate changes, that's going to change usually the optimal choice of C and S. All right, so to do this, I'm going to do a marginal analysis where, to start with, I need to look at the marginal benefit of consumption and compare that with the payoff I get from savings. So by dollar. Every dollar saved earns me 1 plus I. So what I'm doing is comparing marginal benefit against 1.65. I, in this case, is the interest rate of 65%. So let me go back to the table here in the notes. Where was that? Like page 2? No, where'd it go? Page something. I think I missed it. So I need my marginal benefit numbers. Here it is. So on page 3, it has the marginal benefit numbers that I compare against what I could earn from $1 in the savings account, 1.65. As long as the marginal benefit's greater than or equal to 1.65, I should spend that dollar on consumption. So looking at that table, it says in the table in the notes, if you spend the first dollar on consumption, so these are the vital things that you would buy if you're buying your first goods and services, generates a benefit of 2.2, which is definitely above 1.65. Second dollar, 1.8, still bigger. Third, 1.51, that's below this. All right, so it looks like C star would be 2. Just the first $2 generate a marginal benefit that's greater than 1.65. On that table, again, right in the notes, that third dollar spent on consumption generates a marginal benefit of only 1.51, which is below this. So I wouldn't spend that dollar, just the first 2. If C is 2, it's always easy to calculate what S is. S will just be the remainder. So if I have $6, I spend 2, that implies that my savings is the difference, or in this case 4. So that would be my optimal choice. Let me see, what did this ask? We're on number 5. So number 5, what are the optimal values for C and S? So I'd be done at that point. I don't need my total payoff, right? It's just asking for what that optimal choice for C and S are. Every time, again, the interest rate changes, I have to reevaluate what C and S are. So that's what I'm doing in this problem.